As part of the Sprint Conference, hosted at Google in November of 2017, Surya Vanka shared how he uses design swarms to help communities engage in co-creation techniques to solve local problems. By bringing this topic to the conference, we were able to engage and inspire practitioners on the flexibility of the process.
A Design Swarms workshop is a highly facilitated, agile workshop in which participants move through a series of sprints, and each of those sprints is aligned to a stage of the design process. The Design Swarms workshops have a strength in that they are able to bring in people who are typically at three different levels. People who are absolute novices in design, who have never heard about design before, have never practiced design, do not know that there's something called the design process, but they may be experts in some other field, or they may just be experts in their own lives. And then it has folks who have some fluency in the design process. So perhaps they've had a chance to work as PMs, they've had a chance to work as developers, or in some other way being associated with the design process. And then finally, there are people who are skilled designers.
The session I saw earlier with Surya was really exciting because it opened my mind to just how many more techniques and methods there might be to use with my students to get them thinking creatively about their projects. I'm in the process of collecting just about as many ideas for getting my students creatively involved. I think that's the toughest part of my job, is how do you make those aha moments happen? I don't believe that they just come randomly. I believe you have to work for them, and I believe in the idea that there are techniques to make that happen, and I'm on a mission to collect as many as possible.
I think designers have a innate ability, if they can have some patience, to get rooted in those much bigger problems that are going on in the world, and then they have an interesting collaborative way of collaborating with users in coming up with those ideas.
The reason I'm here really is curiosity. You know, there is this very, very interesting community forming at the confluence of what I like to say agile and design thinking. These are two of the forces that are shaping our world. And there's a small group of people who actually have gotten very engaged in this. And because they've been working in their own silos and taking different approaches, it's kind of a rich time to see what's been building in all the little laboratories tucked away in different parts of the world. And so that's just been fascinating.